Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Fatina Hafiza. I would like to share you guys about danger of cat disease. There are a few common cat diseases that can be found, as example ringworm, rabies, pneumococcal virus, and FIV. Based on the table, there are 32% of cats have inflammatory disease, 27% cats have neoplastic disease, 40% cats have traumatic disease, 11% cats have congenital disease, 9% cats have vascular disease, and 6% cats have congenital disease. The rest have metabolic disease. But this disease can be passed to humans sometimes with severe health consequences. Although most feline infection disease only affect cats, but some of this disease can be spread from cats to people. The disease that can be spread from animals to people are called zoonotic disease. Toxoplasmosis is one of a parasite you can get from cat feces. Next, cat scratch disease is a bacterial infection spread by cats. The disease spreads when an affected cat licks a person open wound or bites or scratch a person hard enough to break the surface of the skin. It can cause blistering or swelling nodes and in rare cases, heart and brain infection. This topic rarely gets attention even though among cats owners. People that have cats as their pet should be aware that sometimes cats can carry harmful germs that can cause a variety of illness in people, ranging from minor skin infection to serious illness. As a cat parent, it is very important to recognize the signs and symptoms of common illness so you can seek veterinary help. It is better to prevent than cure.